Okay, I guess we're ready here. Oh, okay. Today I'm going to show you how to program. This is a Vivitar MID 3290318 8 device remote control. First, we start by opening up the back and always watch the polarity of your batteries. Where the spring is the bottom of your battery. So when you put it in like that, put your battery in. The flat part on that spring, you're ready to go. To program this, you got TV, DVR, satellite, auxiliary 1, DVD, cable, amp audio, and auxiliary 2. I'm going to show you how to do it for a TV set. I know my code because I wrote the code down. So when you do this, you press the button where it says TV. So you press that button and the light lights up. To do the thing, to program this remote, you press and hold the TV key until the light comes on. Then you punch your code 3031. I know you probably didn't get that. But press the TV button. Press the button that says TV. When the light comes on, then you enter your code, which for my TV is 3031. Show you how to do it without actually doing. So you press and hold the TV key until the light comes on. Let me back up. When you initially program this remote, you have to press the device key. So you press TV, then you press the TV key until that light comes on. Then you punch your code into the pad, and if you did it right, it should work. You might have to go through different codes in the list. Your TV might not be compatible with it. I think this remote is pretty much compatible with everybody. I'm going to tell you something that sometimes your menu key, your menu might come up. Your TV might let you do the setup through the remote, through these universal remotes. A lot of these universal remotes will not let you change any settings in your menu. Some of them do. I'm going to show you how to do this again. So you press the device key, the light comes on. Press the device key that you want to program until that light comes on. Then you punch your code 3031. If it's not lit up, you did it right. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.